Stop the frustration now. You're experiencing the dreaded Rocket League heavy car bug and extreme input delay glitch, making every move feel sluggish. This isn't just annoying, it's ruining your game, but we've got the permanent solutions right here. First, let's optimize your in-game video settings. Open Rocket League, head to Settings, then Video. Set your FPS to maximum, disable VSync to prevent lag, and lower graphics quality. These changes immediately reduce system strain, giving you smoother frames. If your car still feels heavy, the problem often lies in your controller settings, leading us to method 2. Go to Controls, decrease your controller dead zone for instant responsiveness, and set your input buffer to CSTS for consistent communication. This tightens your control, making every dodge count. Still facing issues? Outdated graphics drivers are a common culprit for any performance glitch. Update them through Device Manager. Ensuring your GPU is running the latest software can dramatically improve game fluidity. Finally, for an ultimate fix, we need to optimize Windows itself. Disable the Xbox game bar and background apps. Adjust your power plan to ultimate performance and clear temporary files. These steps free up critical system resources, giving Rocket League priority. Follow these methods and get ready for perfectly responsive gameplay.